Hello everyone, I am Vivek Bhatt, and in this screencast we will be provisioning servers using Node.js, JavaScript, and the APIs provided by the service providers. So let's start by creating a droplet, which is a server provided by DigitalOcean. So as you can see that I currently don't have any droplet on the server provided by DigitalOcean. So when we go to this file, that is do.js that I've created. So this is the code for do.js. In this code, as you can see, I'm creating a droplet. These are the functions that I have defined for the client: create droplet and list IP. So when we create a droplet, we will be displaying its IP after that. So, and the droplet that we are creating will have some name that we will define, that I've defined afterwards. It's named homework1. Region will be New York City NYC2. Size will be 512 MB. Image name is Ubuntu 1404 64-bit architecture. Then defining all other parameters. Then we will use when we are using Needle over here. Needle is a node package manager that handles the HTTP requests for us. Using the Needle's post function, we'll create a droplet using the API DigitalOcean. First, we will have to create, we need to get a configuration token that I've set in my environment, so that it's not public for everyone. So after you've created it, and when you implement the create droplet function, you pass on these parameters, the name, region, image, and when the callback, we get a response in the body in which we set the droplet ID. And after it's been created, we wait for 30 seconds because there's some time that it takes usually after it's being set up. So let's say it's 30 seconds after that, and after 30 seconds we can just retrieve the IP address of the server created. So let's see it in action. One way is to use directly go to the do.js and use the node do.js. So now it will be waiting for 30 seconds. I'll just skip the part. As you can see, the droplet has been created and the IP address for the same is this. So now let's go back to our droplets page and let's refresh it. Okay, so now after it's been refreshed, I can see that the IP address that looks the same as we've got over here, 162.243.28.143. Yes, and this name is the same that we passed on to it, that is SW1. Everything looks correct. So we have created a new DigitalOcean's droplet and we have received its IP address. So now let's create an instance of EC2. EC2 is Amazon's stick cloud compute. So as you can see, there is no instance over here. The one already that I tried for practicing has been terminated by me. So there are no running instances right now. So let's go back and do the same thing. Let's go node aws.js. So it will be waiting for 30 seconds. Right, so now we have the an instance has been created and the IP address is 35.162.321.199. Let's refresh our page. Let's see if it has been created or not. Right, so as we can see, the instance has been created and the IPv4 public IP is the same that we have, 135.167.32.199. Right, so we have created two servers using the service provided by Amazon and DigitalOcean. For the second task, uh, I have we have the package.json file with us that will resolve the dependencies for us instead of pushing all the node modules that we downloaded and all the dependencies over here. As you can see, I won't be pushing any of these. I will just pass on this small file called package.json, which has the dependencies mentioned in it, and it should resolve all of these dependencies. So this is how we provision two services provided by the two servers, namely DigitalOcean and Amazon's Web Services. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.